Welcome to BYU-Idaho. Today we will be doing a walkthrough of how to register for classes. To start out with, you will want to navigate to your My BYU-I portal. Your portal can look like this, or it can look like this if you are in the old portal. After you have navigated to your portal, you will want to click on the registration button up at the top. If you are in the old portal, you will just need to navigate from the home page to the Student tab, located here. When we get to this page, we want to scroll down to the Course Search button. Be aware that this time and date here is when your registration time opens. You will also want to make sure that you do not have any holds currently on your account. You can navigate to the holds by clicking the Holds button up here at the top. To begin registering for classes, you will want to add drop classes. When you get to this page, you'll want to scroll down to these boxes down here. We can search for classes based on the term, the class type, the subject, the course title, the course code, and we have the option to exclude courses that have a wait list. When we are searching for classes, I find that it is easiest to search for classes based on subject. So if we start with the mechanical engineering classes and hit the search tab, we will be able to see all the mechanical engineering classes that are offered for this upcoming fall semester. As an incoming freshman, you will want to register for the ME 101 class as well as the ME 172 class. Be aware that while you are on this page, there will be different sections of the classes, but as long as they begin with the ME 101 or the ME 172, they are the same class. They are just offered at different times and sometimes different locations. So these are things to be aware of as you're looking to register for classes. You can tell what time the class is offered over under this tab of schedule. Please be aware that R denotes Thursday, and if your class has an R next to the time, your class will be held on Thursday. You can see for the ME 101 class, you have the option to take it on Tuesday from 10:15 to 11:15 or Thursday from 12:45 to 1:45. When you are scheduling your classes, be sure to make sure that you have looked at all of the different times that the class is offered, as well as making sure that none of your classes overlap. If we scroll down to the 172 classes, you can see here that there are more options for class types. For example, there are 2 sections of remote virtual classes, there are 2 in-person in the classroom sections, and there is a section of online class. You will have to pick one that works best for your schedule and what you want out of your semester. To add the classes, you will want to click the Add box next to the class. So we will select one section of the ME 101 class, and then we can scroll down and select one section of the ME 172 class, and then we can click this Add Courses button here at the bottom of the page. After we click the Add Course button, it will load, and yours should say that you have successfully registered for the class. Because I have previously taken these classes, I am going to get these warnings here. I'm going to go ahead and hit cancel because I do not need to take these classes again. After you've successfully added the classes, it will bring you back to this page where you can search for a new subject and a new course type. The rest of the classes that you will want to register for your first semester will be a mathematics class, which can be either Calculus 1, Pre-Calculus, or another supplementary math class to get your math skills up to the level that they need to be at. You will also want to take Physics 121 if you are registering for Calculus. If you are not registering for Calculus, we recommend that you take English 150, which is the Writing and Reasoning course. You will also want to take GE 101, which is College Success and can be found under the subject of General Education, and a religion class, either the Book of Mormon, Jesus Christ and the Everlasting Gospel, the Eternal Family, or Foundations of the Restoration. These are your required religion classes, and we recommend that you complete them before selecting an elective religion class. This has been a walkthrough of how to register for classes. If you have any questions about mechanical engineering or how to register for mechanical engineering classes, please contact Liz Haley at 208-496-7631. If you have any questions about registration and what classes you should register for if you are not a mechanical engineering student, please contact the registration office at 208-496-1025. This concludes this presentation. In the next video, we will explain how to set up your grad plan for mechanical engineering.